Let there be light, God said, and there was light. Since then, the sunrise of knowledge is ever in the world. The glorious years are ahead by evolving light thinking is the minds through right education. Deepal School, Vidyanagar, Maidani Riva, established in the year 2008, affiliated to CBSE Delhi up to higher secondary level, is completing her successful 11 years of educational journey. Run by Christian missionary fathers and sisters, a truly convent school, Deepal has proved its sizable excellence in academics and discipline. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya is a motto of our school. We believe and practice that education is a conscious as well as holistic journey from darkness of ignorance to the light of knowledge. Our school aims at the power of knowledge that transforms one's mind, body and soul to reach awesome growth the heights. Saint Vincent de Paul is the school's patron saint, from whom the school takes her name and from whom we draw our inspiration.
ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತ ದೇವನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ನಿಮಗರ್ಚನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗರ್ಪಣೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವಸ್ವ ನೀನೇ ತಾನೇ ಸ್ತುತಿ ವಂದನೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ ಸರ್ವ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತ ದೇವನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ನಿಮಗರ್ಚನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗರ್ಪಣೆ ಜೀವ ನವ ಭಾವ ನಮದಾಗಲಿ ಸತ್ಯದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ನವ ಜೀವ ನವ ಭಾವ ನಮದಾಗಲಿ ಸತ್ಯದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯು ನೀತಿಯು ನಮದಾಗಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಜೀವನ ಪಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯು ನೀತಿಯು ನಮದಾಗಲಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತಾ ದೇವನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ನಿಮಗರ್ಚನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸವಿನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗರ್ಪಣೆ.
Vincent was born in France in the year 1581. Born of a peasant family, Vincent kept a generous and charitable heart for the poor. Vincent was trained to become a priest of Jesus Christ and thus was ordained priest in 1600. Vincent worked for the poor and the downtrodden in the French society. He opened up schools and orphanages and associations of charity and seminaries to train. Vincent was canonized as a saint and has later been declared the patron of all the charitable works in the Catholic Church. Saint Vincent, a strong follower of Jesus Christ, who is a Guru and the Lord, inspires and intercedes for the school. Therefore, every DePaulian is invited to follow the work and mission of Saint Vincent de Paul, that is, love for the poor and the needy, and educate all people. We are reminded that we are chosen and selected to undertake this noble cause. May Saint Vincent de Paul bless us all.